How to set up Google Workspace with Hostinger. Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Google Workspace with Hostinger, a powerful tool for managing your online presence. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create a seamless integration between Google Workspace and Hostinger, making it easy to manage your email, calendar, and other essential tools in one place. To start, you'll need to sign up for a Hostinger account if you haven't already. Once you've created your account, navigate to the Hostinger control panel and click on the Add-ons tab. From there, search for Google Workspace and click on the Google Workspace add-on. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Google account and authorize Hostinger to access your Google Workspace data. This will take you to the Google Workspace settings page, where you can configure your settings and connect your Hostinger account. Once you've authorized Hostinger, you'll be taken back to the Hostinger control panel. From there, you can manage your Google Workspace settings, including creating new users, setting up email accounts, and configuring your calendar. To set up your email accounts, navigate to the Email tab in the Hostinger control panel and click on the Create Email Account button. From there, you can create new email accounts and configure your email settings. In addition to email accounts, you can also set up your calendar and other essential tools in Google Workspace. To do this, navigate to the Calendar tab in the Hostinger control panel and click on the Create Calendar button. By following these steps, you can easily set up Google Workspace with Hostinger and take your online presence to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on managing your online presence. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and we'll see you in the next video.